HL-BD12 and HL-HD12 Hotel Door Lock Installation Guide. The first step is to install the lock body. Insert the lock body into the open lock body slot, according to the drawing and the door opening direction of the door lock. Fix and tighten the 4 fixing screws. Step 2. Install the lock cylinder. Insert the lock cylinder into the lock cylinder hole of the lock body. Note, the keyhole of the lock cylinder faces outwards. Insert the lock cylinder fixing screw from the side of the lock body. Pass it through the lock cylinder and tighten it. Use the mechanical key and confirm whether the lock cylinder can work normally. Step 3. Install the front and rear panels of the lock. Screw the extended nut screw onto the screws of the front panel lock first. Insert the handle shaft into the shaft hole of the lock body. Lift the rear panel of the lock and remove the rotating shaft of the internal knob. Align the rotating shaft of the inner knob with the knob hole of the lock body and insert it. At the same time, insert the handle hole of the lock rear panel into the handle rotation shaft. Connect the cables of the front and back panels together. Insert the handle shaft into the handle hole on the front panel of the lock. Test to confirm handle and interior knobs are functioning properly. Take out the fixing screws at the front and rear panels of the lock. Insert the fixing screws of the front panel from the screw holes of the rear panel. Align them with the extended nut screws and tighten them. Confirm handle and interior knobs are functioning properly again. Step 4. Install the battery. Take out 4 new 1.5 volts batteries and insert them into the battery slot, paying attention to the positive and negative poles. Use the test card to make sure the lock is working properly. Then, install the battery cover. Finally, test the lock function using the test card and mechanical key to ensure everything is working properly. Now, you have successfully completed the hotel lock installation.